There is a voice in India that never sleeps. It speaks at weddings, it whispers at family dinners, it shouts inside your head at 2 a.m. Log kya kahenge? What will people say? You don't see it, but you obey it. You choose careers for it. You marry for it. You hide parts of yourself for it. No one is holding a gun to your head, and yet it controls your life. That is the quiet noise. And most of us are addicted to it. We are raised to protect our reputation. But reputation is rented property. It lives in other people's minds, and people change their minds. Character is different. Character is what remains when the applause stops. The Stoic emperor Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Outside events include opinions. If your peace depends on approval, your peace is fragile. In the story of Daksha's Yagna, Shiva was insulted publicly, excluded, disrespected. An entire gathering was held without him, and he did not react. He remained on Mount Kailash. Why? Because a mountain does not attend meetings to defend its height. The Bhagavad Gita calls this state Sthita Parajna, steady in praise, steady in blame. Silence is terrifying to people who expect performance. Not reacting is sometimes the loudest statement. Here is the uncomfortable question. Remove the audience. Would you still want the same life, the same job, the same goals, the same definition of success? Or are you performing? The quiet noise survives because we never challenge it. Try this instead. Make one decision this year that disappoints someone. Not out of rebellion, but out of honesty. You don't need to silence the world. You need to stop auditioning for it. The noise will continue. Let it. Mountains don't argue, they remain.